Hello kids, welcome back. So in our last video we were doing division. We have started revising division. Division we have done before summer break also. Now today we will do division with remainder. Okay. In our last video we have done some question of division without remainder, but today we will do some question with remainder. Okay. So let us start. So I will give you question. I will give you some question. You will solve that question. Okay. We will work like that. Chalo. Let us start. So the first question. 3, 7, 5 divided by 2. Now solve this question. 375 divided by 2. Solve this question. Come on. Do this question. 375 divided by 2. Okay. See. 375 divided by 2. So in last video I have told you that whenever we will do video, we will always start with leftmost digit. We will always start it with leftmost digit. Now here at our leftmost digit we are having 3. We are having 3. 3 is greater than 2. So क्या 2 के टेबल में 3 आता है? Do we get 3 in 2's table? See? No, we don't get. So what we will do? We will take it one time. 2 ones are 2. We will take it one time. 2 ones are 2. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 we will get 1. What we will do next? We will carry down this 7. We will carry down this 7. Okay. Now what next? After carrying down 7, we are having here 17. Okay. Here we are having 17. Now, do we get 17 in 2's table? क्या 2 के टेबल में 17 आता है? Do we get 17 in 2's table? Count the table of 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 fours are, no, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, and 2 nines are we are having 2 nines are 18. तो 2 nines are तो 17 से ज्यादा हो जा रहा है, बड़ा हो जा रहा है. What we will do? We will take it 2 eights are 16. Now 17 minus 16 we will get 1. We will get 1 here. Now we will carry down 5. Now 2 के टेबल में 15. In how many times we will get? 2 के टेबल में 15. How many times we will get? 2 7 जा 14. 2 के टेबल में 15 तो we don't get, है ना? 2 के टेबल में 15 तो नहीं आता. So what we will do? We will take it 2 7 जा 2 7 जा 14. 2 7 जा 14. What we will get? 15 minus 14 we are having 5 minus 4 we will get 1. 1 minus 1 nothing. So here you can see that we have got 1 as our remainder. Here we have got 1 as our remainder, 187 as our quotient, 2 as our divisor, and 375 as our dividend. Okay. So in this question what happened? We have got one remainder. 270 375 divided by 2, we have got 1 remainder. है ना, we have got 1 remainder, no? Okay. Now, let us do the next question. So now this question you will do. So our next question is, okay, 125, see, 125 divided by 8. Do this question. 125 divided by 8. Come on, do this question. All of you can see the question now. Do this question. Completed? Okay. 125 divided by 8. Okay, let us start. चलो करते हैं. 125 divided by 8. 125 divided by 8. Now, always I have told you to start a given division question with the leftmost side. हमेशा इधर से leftmost side से, है ना, अपने लेफ्ट हैंड से जो पहला डिजिट है उससे शुरू करते हैं हम डिवीजन, है ना. सो 8 के टेबल में 12, डू वी गेट? 8 के टेबल में 12 आता है क्या? नहीं. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 60. तो 2 टाइम्स में तो ज्यादा हो जा रहा है. 2 टाइम्स में तो जो नंबर आ रहा है वो 12 से ग्रेटर हो जा रहा है. व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल टेक इट 1 टाइम. सो 8 1 जा वी आर हैविंग 8 1 जा, we will get 8. Okay. Now count after 8 to get 12. Subtract 8 from 12. Subtract करिए. Subtract करिए. Do this question. Subtract करिए. What we will get? 4. We will get here 4. Carry down 5. 45. Now count the table of 8 to get 45. 8 का टेबल ऐसा काउंट करिए कि 45 आए. कम ऑन, डू दिस. 8 का टेबल इस तरह से काउंट करना है कि 45 आए. कम ऑन डू दिस. ओके. सो 8 के टेबल में तो 45 नहीं आता, बट कोई ऐसा नंबर जो उससे थोड़ा सा छोटा हो. 8 5 जा 8 5 जा 40. So we will take it 5 times. We will take it 5 times. Okay. Now subtract 40. What we will get here? Do the subtraction. 45 minus 40, we will get 45 minus 40, we will get here 5 as our remainder, है ना. यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिला? 5 मिला as our remainder. Okay. अच्छा. Now what we have learned that in division we can also get remainder sometime, है ना. यहाँ पे we can also get remainder. So here we have recalled 2 of the things. First is division without remainder and division with remainder, है ना. So we have recalled 2 of the things, division with remainder and division without remainder. Now next thing we are going to do is, verification of division. In next question, in next topic, we are going to study how to verify whether a given division is correct or incorrect. How do we know that the division question that we have done is correct or it is incorrect? Okay, so that we will do. Okay, so for that, to recall the division question, it is important for us to recall the division verification, it is important for us to keep in mind the various terms related with division. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so there is a formula, there is a rule which says that dividend is equals to divisor. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, fine. Okay, so let us understand this with the help of one question. Okay, so let us take a very simple question, that is example question. 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 3. Okay, so this question is really easy. 42 divided by 3 is really easy. Do it yourself, then I will explain you. Do it yourself, do this question yourself. 42 divided by 3. Do this question yourself. Completed? Okay. Now let us see. So we will start with leftmost side. We are having 4 here. So do we get 4 in 3's table? No. We will take it one time. हम इसे one time ले जाएंगे. We will get 3 here. 4 minus 3 we will get 1. Carry down 2. 3 के टेबल में 12 कितनी बार में? 3 के टेबल में 12 कितनी बार में आएगा? 3 4s are 12. Okay. What we will get here? 0 as our remainder. 12 minus 12 will get nothing. Okay. Now, one thing, what you will do? Let us verify this. Let us check whether our answer is correct or incorrect. तो क्या करना है? First of all, this is quotient, this is divisor, this is dividend, and this is remainder. Okay, these things are here. Now, so what we have to do? We have to multiply divisor with quotient. We have to multiply divisor and quotient. What is our divisor? 3. 3 is our divisor. We have to multiply our divisor with quotient, that is 14. And what we have to do here? We have to add 0 here. है ना? रिमाइंडर क्या है हमारा? 0 है, तो we will add 0. तो अगर डिवाइजर और कोशेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करके अगर हम रिमाइंडर ऐड करते हैं और हमारा आंसर अगर डिविडेंड आ जाता है, अगर हमारा आंसर ये नंबर आ जाता है, दैट मीन्स आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट. इसका मतलब हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है. ठीक है, चलो लेट अस सी. 14 3s are okay. Let us do multiplication here. 14 into 3. 4 3s are 12. So for 12 we will write 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 1 4. We have got 42. हमारा आंसर कितना आया? We have got 42. ठीक है, 42. Okay, what we will do next? We will add 0 to it. We will add 0 to 42. What we will get? 42. Huh? Any number, whenever we add 0 to any number, we will get answer as the number itself. See, the same number is our dividend also, है ना? 42 is our dividend also. That means our answer is correct. Okay, that means our answer is correct. So our answer is verified here. Our answer is verified here. Okay, now I am going to give one question to you all. Do this question. So next question is, I am going to write the question here. Say 287 divided by 2. Do this question. 287 divided by 2. 287 divided by 2. Do this question beta. Okay. Do this question. Don't forget to write this formula. Come on, do this. Completed. Do the division first, and then we will do verification. Do the division. 287 divided by 2. Okay. Our example 2 is 287 divided by 2. है ना? 287 divided by 2. Okay, let us solve it. So we are having 287 here. Put this 287 here. 2. So we will take it 2 ones up. Okay. 2 ones up. 2. 2 minus 2 we will get nothing but a cross. 2 minus 2 we will get nothing. We will get a cross only. है ना? What next? We will carry down this 8. Now, do we get 8 in 2's table? Do we get 8 in 2's table? Yes. 4 times 2 4s are 8. We will put a cross. Then we will carry down this 7. Okay. Now, 2 के टेबल में 7 तो आता नहीं. What we will do? We don't get 7 in 2's table. What we will do? We will take it 3 times. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are we will get 6. So 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 we will get 1. है ना? चलो. Based on this formula, let us do the verification. है ना? Let us verify our question whether we have done this question correct or not. है ना? चलो. Let us do verification here. So what we have to do? We have to multiply divisor and quotient. We are having 2 as our divisor. We have to multiply 2 with 143. We have to multiply 2 with 143. Do we have any number here as remainder? Yes, we are having 1 here. है ना? We are having 1 as remainder. So what we will do? We will add 1. चलो, let us do 143. We will multiply minus 2. We will multiply 2 here. Multiply. Do the multiply. Come on, do it. Do the multiplication. Okay, chalo. 3 2s are we will get 6. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 286 we have got. Now what we have to do? We have to add one remainder here, है ना. हमारा remainder कितना आया? 1. So we will add one remainder here. What we will get? 6 plus 1, 7, 8 and 2, 287. See, our dividend is also 287, है ना. This is our dividend and dividend is 287. That means our question is correct. जब भी आप डिवाइजर को क्वोशंट से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसमें रिमाइंडर प्लस करोगे, अगर आपका आंसर जो आता है वो डिविडेंड आ जाता है, दैट मीन्स आपका आंसर करेक्ट है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑफ 4 डिजिट नंबर. ओके, नाउ हियर वी विल डू अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ 4 डिजिट नंबर. चलो, राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. Okay, 8943 divided by 2. 8943 divided by 2. Do this. Come on. What you have to do? You have to first solve the division and then you have to, after solving the division, what you have to do? After solving the division, you have to do the verification also. You have to do the verification also. Chalo, do it. This question will be your example 3. Come on, do it. Come on. 8943 divided by 2. Do this question. Okay. 8943 divided by 2. So example 3. Sorry, it must be 2 here, है ना? I hope all of you have done this question, है ना? Completed? Okay, now let us start. $8,943. What we have to do? We have to divide it with 2. 8,943. We have to divide it with. Let us start. 2 4s are 8. We'll put a cross here. We'll carry down 9. Now what will happen? 2 4s are 8 again. 9 minus 8 we will get 1. We'll carry down 4. Do we get 14 in 2's table? Do we get 14 in 2's table? 2 7 ja 14. 14 minus 14 we will get nothing. We will put a cross here. Okay. Now our number remains 3. Now 2 ones are 2. We will take it one time. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 we will get 1. Now what we have to do? We have to verify this. How we will verify this? By multiplying divisor and quotient and then adding remainder in it. By multiplying divisor and quotient and adding remainder in that. Okay. Let us. So here we are having our divisor, this 2 as our divisor, 4471 as our quotient, and we have got 1 as our remainder. Okay, so what we will do first? First we will multiply 4471 multiplied with 2. चलो do it. 4471 multiply it with 2, and whatever the answer you will get, add 1 in that. चलो come on, do it. Do it fast. Okay. So 2 ones are 2. Okay. 7 twos are 14. Carry 1. 4 twos are 8. Carry 1. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, carry 9. 4 twos are 8. Okay. So 8942. Now we have to add this 1 here. We have to add this 1 here. 1 was our remainder. So 2 plus 1 we will get 3. 2 plus 1 3. This 4, 9 and 8. Okay. So what we have got? 8943. We have got 8943. Now see, 8943 is our dividend also. This is our dividend also, and this number is equals to our dividend. Hence our division is correct and our question is verified. है ना? Got it? Okay. Now kids, here we have done what we have completed. We have done question based on verification of division. Now the next thing that we are going to do, and today I will give only introduction of that. Next thing that we are going to do is simplification. Okay, so we have to do what we have to do. Simplification. So today I will give you only introduction. Today I will only give you introduction. Okay. Today I will give introduction only. So simplification means in one question, in one given mathematical operation, you will get division also, multiplication also, addition also and subtraction also. In one question, only in one question you will get all the 4 or more than one mathematical operation. So उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सिंप्लीफिकेशन. जब हमारे मैथ्स के किसी एक क्वेश्चन में, एक एक्सप्रेशन में एक से ज्यादा मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर्स यूज होते हैं, प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? वी कॉल इट एज simplification. For example, let us take one example. Suppose I give you a question, 28 divided by 7 plus 5. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे we are having division also. यहाँ पे हम डिवाइड भी कर रहे हैं, we are adding also. डिवीजन भी है एंड एडिशन भी है ना? और एक तरीका और हो सकता है जिसको हम कहते हैं, चलो 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 प्लस 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. अब यहाँ पे भी क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे वी आर हैविंग डिवीजन ऑल्सो, एडिशन ऑल्सो, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑल्सो. सो मोर देन वन मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर हैज बीन यूज्ड हियर. यहाँ पे 1 से ज्यादा मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर यूज हो रहे हैं। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को हम क्या कहते हैं? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को वी कॉल सिंप्लीफिकेशन। क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस आर टर्म्ड एज सिंप्लीफिकेशन। ओके, नाउ let us take one more question, and this time I will try to include all the 4 expressions. Say 784 divided by 2 plus 8 minus 1 multiply 6. Okay, so अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन में in a given one question we have tried to include division also, plus also, multiplication also and minus also. Now a big question arises कि मैम इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? इसमें तो मोर देन वन एक्सप्रेशंस है. What we will do to solve this question? अच्छा, we will use a simple formula. We will use a simple formula, that is d mass. That is d mass. Okay, to remember d mass, there is a shortcut, what we call dear mother and sister. So हम इसे कैसे याद करेंगे? We will remember it as dear mother and sister. Repeat after me. Dear mother and sister. Okay. So kids, in our next class we will try to solve these questions of simplification by using this formula, dear mother and sister. We will do it by using dear mother and sister. Okay, now so what we have done today we have done division without with remainder, and we have done lots of questions based on verification of division. We have done lots of questions based on verification of division. Verification of division means dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we will meet in our next class and we will do these questions. Okay, so question based on simplification. Okay, till then take care.